Okay, Spanish 2. Today is the first day of the third week. Okay, this is the first lesson for the third week. And today we're going to talk about Spanish 2. We're going to talk about the numbers between 100 and a million. 100 and a million. And then that one is going to be on the page 117 in your book. Remember that you had to use your book when we're talking about pages. 117 in your book, and either one of the you find it in that book, the vocabulary for this unit that is going to be on page 170, 170, 179, and 189. Okay, one more time. Vocabulary is going to be in 170, 179, and 189. Definitely, we need to remind to the students that we have two students already that they don't make the quiz yet of the unit of the last unit. So definitely, I need these two students pay attention to the quiz, because you need to pass that one. The majority of the people, they have a good grades, excellent grades. So congratulations for all my Spanish 2 in the school. So I feel proud of you guys if you don't make it. So today we're going to talk about numbers 100 to a million in page 117. 117. Remember what we said about, we're talking about the numbers, gonna be two numbers, and now we're gonna be three numbers, like hundreds. So it's gonna be 100, that's mean 100, 200, that's gonna be 200, 300, that's gonna be 300, 400, that's gonna be 400. Now in this one, it's not 500. Because 5 is 5, okay? Well, how do we say 500? In Spanish, 500. 500. And you can see and find that one on the page 117. 600. 600. 700. And this one is going to be easier, remember, because 6, we have two S. So 600, that's 600. In 7, we have ST. And the 7, they have AST, so definitely it's going to be a 7. So 700 is 700. 800 is 8, so it's 800. 900, that's different, it's not 900, because 9 is 9. And 900, we say 900, and then we say 1,000, mil. In the specific, I wanted that you pay attention to this one, because that's what we're going to use it here in all these 100 through the million. Okay, so it's this way that we have to remember to try to make all the rest of the number in here. Like for example, 100 is 100, 110, 110, 110, 120, 120. 120, 190, 190, 190, 210, 210, 210, 320, 320, 510, 500, remember here? But we change, we don't say 500, 510, 705, 7, remember here, 7, ST, because it's 7, 705, then 920, 9, like here, 920. So it is coming like that. All the numbers that you're going to add, because you learned already the number between 1 to 100. So it's all exactly the same. 10, 20, 90, 10, 20, 10, 5, 20 is going to be like that you're going to ask. So how do we say 1,000? 1,000 we say mil. It's only 3 letters. M-I-L. Mil. That's 1,000. Okay? 1,000. 900,000. 900,000. So 1,000, you know that is 1,000. 900 is 900. So how do we say 900,000? 900 mil. 900 mil. So it's going to be like that. The more that you learn from this one, it's the more easy that you can learn from that one. So after 900,000, so after that, definitely you have the million. And how do you say million? Millón. Millón with double L. With the Y, because the Y is really similar the sound. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. Remember, this week we're going to have class Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And Thursday we're going to have a quiz for the unit 5 that we had learned the last week. So definitely be prepared, okay, and don't be cheating, okay, because you know that Mr. Mesa, he don't like cheating in tests. So try to do the best that you can, guys. I know that it's a really difficult time to try to receive your class in this way, but at this point, we don't have a choice. We have to do it. I want to ask you a favor, that you pray for me, okay? Because definitely it's a lot of issues here in my family that definitely have to take care of that. So definitely pray for us. One more time, the Bible verse for this unit is going to be Marcos, that's me, Mark, Marcos 4:14. 4:14. El sembrador es el que siembra la palabra. It's really simple, it's really easy. El sembrador es el que siembra la palabra. Okay? So, remember, vocabulary 170, 179, 189. Okay? Number between 100 to a million, page 117. 117. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. And then, after you learn this way, is the only way that you can do all these numbers, the rest of the number, because you have to repeat. If you have any question, remember, you have my email and you have my phone number, just in case that you need to call me for any answer or any question in particular that you need to figure out. So remember, study. No matter what we cannot see you in class, you have to study and continue, because this is going to be good for you, okay? And we are going to be here, all the teachers in the school, we are here for you to try to do the best that we can to try to give you the good grade that definitely you deserve for study and be a good example, like a good Christian students in our school. Love you, brothers. We see you tomorrow.